Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG2522 printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, doesn't really matter which one, but you want to go and search in Google for Canon PIXMA MG2522 support and search for that. Best results should say Canon support for PIXMA MG2522. Go ahead and select that and then scroll down on this page underneath downloads and select software and drivers. Make sure the correct operating system and version number is supported and detected here. And then underneath software and driver results, go down and locate the full driver and software package. Should say Windows here if we're on a Windows computer. And we're going to download that. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it and then select yes. And then you can close out of the web browser at this time. And then you should see PIXMA MG2500 series. Starting the software installation, follow the on-screen instructions. Select Next. And then you can choose what you want to install. And then once you're done with that, again, you definitely want to make sure the drivers is checkmarked in there, and then select Next, and then select Yes, and then Next again, and then let this install. And now it's going to ask for a printer connection to make sure it is connected and that you guys are all up and running here. Now, for some reason, if you are unable to connect, you may need to check your printer settings, make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.